Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Now I will show how to compare two columns data to find out duplicate or same value show in Excel. First of all, here I given some bulk data to show you how to work on it. Then first of all, select single column, then conditional formatting, then new role, then use format to determine which cell to format. Then here I am writing the formula, selecting column, then after complete writing formula, then okay. Here see two column data, same data head, number one and number two, the 9911. Or if you want to same way marking to this row also, then same way you can write first formula, then format, then color. If for marking purpose you select the color, then okay, then okay. And you now see the two row have same data, two column.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, share and comment. Press the bell icon.